Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can.
Okay. So when we print here, tell me, is it correct like that? That we and what we are passing here actually in the first place when we make the CreateID Moise Mirza. Let me see here. Local ID. Wow, it doesn't. It doesn't. Yeah. So do you see now? This is
Yes,
yeah. So
that's
this
the
is what
same.
we. Yes. Okay. And then we want to make sure that
If
this print ID equal
uh-huh,
whatever stored inside the class, right?
correct.
And if it is, then what we need to do?
We need to do print ID plus equals so then it can be added into the account, right?
Yes. So it means that we need to add. So if it is inside, wait, let's go to the definition again. That is our requirements. So this guy said what? This guy said if the print ID does not exist, so
Uh-huh.
create an instance of the print account class
Okay.
and insert it inside the student account
Index.
array.
Okay. Correct.
But if it does exist, then the number is incremented
Uh-huh.
until we have a unique ID is created. For example, Bill Smith 2. So you see what we did? The difference between this and this is what? He incremented the last character here. From
Okay.
1, he make it 2. It then creates an instance of print account and try to insert it.
So
So
we have to fix the one part because we just did one as a string, I think, right?
yes, so we have to modify our. So if we find, it means that we have a lot of things to do. If we find that the print ID exists,
Uh-huh.
it means that we have a long job to do.
Yes,
If
correct.
it doesn't, it's easy. We just create an instance and that's it. So let's try to do the easy thing first. Okay. Okay. Now, okay. So if the print ID is already inside here, that's a big story for us. So if it is not, so again, let me tell you first this kind of situation, how difficult it is here, or what? Not it's not difficult, but it is how to. Okay, so this is an array, the student account array,
Yes.
and we know that there is many objects inside, right?
Yes, P1. Yeah, yeah.
So when can we say that the print ID is not found? We cannot say this only by checking one object.
Yeah, yeah, you have to do.
We have to go through the whole array from here until here.
Mm-hmm.
And only once we finish all the for loop and we didn't find
Oh, we have to.
in any
Uh-huh.
of those the print ID, we can say, oh, now we have a unique print ID, we can insert it now.
I see. Yes.
So it means that what we need to
Check for the length too.
not necessarily, because
Oh yeah, we're already. Yeah.
this for loop will make sure that you go from here until you reach the final
You're,
999 objects,
yeah.
because you start from 0 to
9.
999, right? Because it's
Yes.
1000 element, right?
Okay.
So
So if we need to do the easy part,
in
which
this,
is if
yeah, okay, tell me.
could you comment that onto the screen, the what we need to
Okay,
include?
so if printID does not exist in any of the objects inside the student account array, then create a new print account object and insert it inside the global array student accounts. Does this make sense?
Yes. So if it does not exist in any of the objects, okay, create a new object and insert it into the array. Yes.
Okay. So how to know that it does not exist? I will only know after I finish the whole for loop.
Yes.
So I cannot decide only using one if statement inside.
You have to do if or the opposite of if is instance. So if it's not instance, but that we can get to later too, right?
But okay, so my thinking of this kind of situation, you can only get into this kind of situation using flags. So we have to create a flag. Okay, create a flag. So this flag typically is true or false. So I would say first found. I need to make sure that I finish searching all the objects inside the array, and this found is equal false. Only then I will start to create a new print account object. So here, if if instance, okay, so if print is equal this, so it means to me that found equal true, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So if found equal true, that is actually an issue to us. But never mind, forget about that at the moment. What we need to do is after the for loop finish, so we have to check if found. If found, then we have to do if found equal true, we have to do something, right?
Yes, correct.
Pass. And if it is else, let me see. Why he doesn't like it? Is it the indenting? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And also equal pass. So if it is found true, what should actually we do? If found true means that he found a print ID inside, which means that we need to
increment the one.
Increment, yes, the one. Okay. So and if not, if it is not found, this is a very easy job for us. Just here create a new print account object and insert the new print ID. Okay, so that is very easy for us in this case here. Okay, so I would say again,
so first we have to change the one.
Yes, exactly.
That it's equal to something.
So I would, in this case, separate it in two ways. So I would say count. I would say count start from 1. Okay, and I would say I put here name and then I will remove count. And I would say here print ID equal name plus count.
Correct.
But again, I need to put str.
Yes.
Why do you think I'm separating both of them? Because count might need to be incremented.
Yes, and then it's easier to
If we have it as an integer, it's easier for us to always increment it and then create a new print ID, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. So now,
so now for the if found, we'll just do
here
add.
we take the easier side, right? So
Okay.
we just if we have student account like that.
Yes.
So how to insert inside it? Append.
Yes.
Let me see why he doesn't. Okay, yeah, append. So
Put something
print
inside.
account. Let me see. Actually, wait. Let me confirm something, please.
Okay.
So actually, there is something that is slightly we missed here. I wanted to confirm that here. So see, the main program has a procedure CreateID. It means to me here that this CreateID is not actually part of the class. So it's not part of the, see, this CreateID is not part of this printAccount class. I suspected that because it doesn't make sense that inside the class you create another object and insert it inside. That's I mean, that doesn't make any sense. So what I would say that this actually need to be, oops, like that. So it means that it is outside the class and it doesn't need to take self. Okay. Does this make sense so far?
Yes, my bad. I'm just a little tired. That's why.
Okay. So you would like us to stop now?
I mean, we could finish the rest. How much is left for this one? For this thing that we're trying to solve?
Properly, maybe
Still a
maybe
good
10 to
amount.
15 minutes.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
Yes,
So
no worries.
okay, but if you are not catching, it doesn't make any sense that we continue. So
Yeah, so if you want, what we could do is finish this part next time.
yes, we can do that. Yes.
Okay, and then this week I'll send you my I already finished L5, so I'll send you that if you wanted to take a look over it, but according to the output and matches, and then I'll send you the other stuff too.
Yes. So the only trick in LA5 is actually to always use super, but you can
Yeah.
send it to me and then I will check it. Okay.
Okay, gotcha. All right.
And then I will try to share with you also the LA4, and then you have a check for it, and then you tell me if you have any more questions. Okay.
Okay, perfect. Yes.
Perfect. Okay.
Sounds good. Thank
So
you.
okay. Yeah. Okay. Thanks a lot.
All right.
Okay. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye bye.